This video is to show you how to use an iPhone in place of a remote for your Apple TV. It's super simple. These remotes are awesome, but they're small and they get lost so easy and you're always looking for it. Here's a simple solution. Just swipe up on your iPhone. That'll take you to your control center. Then I'm just going to put my finger on the screen and hold. And then you'll see add a control at the bottom. I'm going to click that. And then I'm just going to swipe up here until I see remote right here. I'm going to click on that. And that's going to add it to the screen. Click that. My home screen's set up now. This control screen's ready. I'm going to click on remote. And as long as your iPhone and the Apple TV are on the same Wi-Fi, it's automatically going to load up here. If you click this and you have multiple Apple TVs in your house, they'll be listed there. You can click on whichever one you want to use. And this is just a great way to be able to use the remote without having this remote. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, give us a thumbs up.